full throttle pass. Absolutely beautiful. We have been blessed with absolutely beautiful weather, and so I want to take full advantage of it and fly the F-16 Thunderbirds. It's been a while since it's been on the channel. It's one of the most beautiful planes that we own and always guarantees a good time. So let's go fly. Let's go, Abby. I can't believe how nice it is out today. Oh yeah, okay.
That was close.
Almost hit. We have a cross breeze, so I set it up at an angle.
Full throttle into that grass.
Yeah, I full throttled quick. I was easing into it, and I probably shouldn't have been. Landing gear up, I hope. Is this the one that, oh, okay, I've got to reverse the switch, and I never do, so that's awesome. It's always to have a nice reminder and quick little panic, small heart attack while you're flying. Did I throw the wrong switch? Full throttle pass. Here we go. And if you're new to RC jets like this is an EDF. It's electric ducted fan. It's flying on a 6S or 22 volt battery. And people will ask, how fast is it going? Well, this is about 110 miles an hour, believe it or not. And how far will it go? That's what everyone wants to know. How far or how high will it go? This will fly farther than you can see it line of sight. That's very far, guys. Let's go fly by really quick again. Oh, beautiful. And you don't need to fly any farther or higher than that. It is just awesome. Now, flight time is usually the next follow-up question because we're going over 100 miles an hour. We're gonna go up on this next pass, Abby. Ready?
Yep.
Up. We usually get a pretty short flight time on something like this, but if you want to, they make RC planes and jets that can fly for a good hour or even longer on one like $20 battery. It just depends what you want to fly. And we're gonna go up again. I like to do a snap roll on this one. Let's snap it right into those clouds, right over the clouds. And then a nice hammerhead drop. Crazy stall there. We'll go with a roll and a roll the other direction, and let's climb up into a big wide loop dominating the sky. We'll go into a Cuban 8 with this thing. Guys, the F-16 Thunderbirds, it just deserved a nice quick flight today and a good opportunity to share it with you guys. That might have been the first Cuban 8 I've ever done with this jet. Now it has something called SAFE. It is a flight stabilization software. It's the best in the world. You can throw it and it'll save the jet in a matter of seconds if you need to. Right now I'm flying with SAFE off. We can do things like inverted passes with SAFE off. We'll do a nice outside loop, and then let's say we're gonna panic, okay? I'm gonna do a snap roll right here, and then we'll throw SAFE at the top of it. There's a snap, and I'm throwing SAFE with throttle on, and now I'm not doing anything on the right stick. It leveled out completely on its own. SAFE technology is absolutely amazing for beginner pilots or for experienced pilots that hit a little panic. It can save a lot of money.
Whoa.
We'll go with one more fast pass and then we'll get ready for a landing. We're about 3 minutes into this flight, but I have been cooking that 3200 milliamp battery like crazy. Just having a good time. What a beautiful day for this. Full throttle pass. Absolutely beautiful. Let's climb it one more time. Nice tall climb. We'll roll it around out there and bring it down. Need a little bit of throttle to help us on that. Check for landing gear here. There, I see 3. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. And it's a cross breeze, so I'll tell you what, let's just bring it in. It's gonna be a hard one. Let's go left to right. We don't have a lot of help with the wind today. It's been like that all day, just gusty. It's these winter winds, you guys. Hopefully they're gonna go away soon
Coming
enough.
in fast.
I know. You know what?
You might
You're
want to
right.
try again.
Let's go around again.
I can tell on camera when you're coming in too fast.
It was a little fast. We still have a good solid battery going on here, so we'll just bring it in this way. And that might help with the cross breeze a little bit. Coming in at an angle. A little focus here. Oh, that was nice, wasn't it? We were holding off right over the ground for what felt like 2 or 3 seconds there. Everybody was holding their breath together, right?
Yeah, that was.
It was either gonna be beautiful or disastrous, and it came in perfect. Guys, this is the F-16 Thunderbirds, and it remains to be one of the prettiest things we own, and just dominates the sky every time we fly it. When people see this fly, they instantly want to get into the hobby. I'd like to buy that, I'd like to fly that. And you know what? You could, if you're the right person with the right skill set, the right amount of confidence, knowledge, and maybe a buddy to help you fly, this could be your first airplane. I mean, the safe technology on this, I'd be willing to bet my own money on the right person as this being their first airplane, okay? But for most people, I'd say 99% of people, this should not be your first airplane because it's fast, because it's a little expensive, and because there are significantly better options for a first airplane. Now, if that's you, if I'm talking about you, you're like, whoa, that was awesome, I gotta get into RC planes, let us know. I'll make a recommendation in the comments based on your budget and your experience, or even if you have no experience. Also, where we have this linked in the description box below and our pinned comment, I'll have Abby, if you would please, link our favorite trainer, one that you can just slam into the side of a wall and it'll probably still fly after that. They make some amazing options, airplanes and jets, that are better options as a first time flyer. Now this thing is just an absolute blast. It's so true and predictable every time I fly it. This is my original F-16 Thunderbirds, and I know I'm getting close to 300 flights on this. You have to agree, right, Abby? And this is getting up there on flights. It's a blast every time.
It's probably been on the channel a lot more than most things.
Yeah. My tires are getting worn out just because I fly the snot out of this, and I'm grateful for today. What an awesome day God has given us to fly on and share this experience with you guys. Now, if you're gonna fly something like this or any RC plane, you really should have the Academy of Model Aeronautics. That's the AMA. They're insurance for the RC pilot in case something does go wrong. And if you want to learn more on them, we'll have them linked in the description box below. But before we go, I want to say a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters for having our backs and bringing content to the world to enjoy for free because of our Patreon supporters. If you guys want to join that team, we'll have that linked in our description box below too. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.